Welcome, sixth graders. You are on task number 4 of the History of Measurement Design Notebook. And for this activity, you're going to be measuring around the classroom. And to do that, you're going to need to have your historical units from task number 3. And then you also are going to have to work with a partner because you're going to compare your measurements with each other. And while you're doing this, keep in mind your essential question that you'll need to answer at the end of the activity, and it's explain, is it more or less complicated to measure using historical units? So we're going to be doing that today, and then you can kind of think, is it easier to do it this way or more difficult or complicated? So if you look at your design notebook, we're going to go to task number 4, and it is completing the historical measurement around the, classroom chart. So you can click on task number 4, and that'll take us right to where you need to be. And this video is not going to demonstrate how to measure. It's going to just go over what needs to be completed for this task. And it is answering this essential question and going through the instructions for the main activity here. You're going to find one partner that you need to work with. Once you have that, you're going to have these objects that are already selected for you around the classroom that you're going to measure. And for each one of these objects, you are going to measure using 3 different methods out of these options here. And you get to decide which 3 you want to do. But once you do that, you'll record your results in the box here. And then you're going to have the partner measure the exact same item, same method, and that way you can compare if it's same or different answers. So you're going to do that for all 10 of these objects. And notice as you get down to object number 5, it is a different color. It's a should do. And when you get down to object number 8, 9, and 10, that is aspire to do. And the last 2, you get to pick a couple items in the classroom that you would want to measure. So if you're not sure about exactly how to do this measurement part, you're going to click on this video over here, and this will go into a little bit more detail about how to complete this chart and this activity.